David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. I'm here at one of my favorite Washington, D.C. sites, Washington National Cathedral. The official name of this place is the Cathedral Church of St. Peter and St. Paul. But the name itself begs the question, what's the difference between a church and a cathedral? Many folks think that a cathedral is just a really big church. Not true. When it comes to cathedrals, size does not matter. But what does make a church a cathedral is a piece of furniture, a chair called a cathedra. A cathedra is the chair of a bishop. It's a symbol of his or her authority in a diocese, which is a geographic area under a bishop's care. Here at Washington National Cathedral, the Glastonbury Cathedra, made from stone from the ruins of Glastonbury Abbey in England, is the seat of the Bishop of Washington. Since 2011, that bishop is Mary Ann Edgar Budde, the 9th Bishop of Washington and the first woman to hold that office. So where does this idea for a special bishop's chair originate? Well, there are a few possible explanations. In early times, furniture was not mass-produced, so anyone owning a chair was powerful. Teachers often would teach from chairs while their pupils stood and listened. In the Roman Empire, there was something called a curial chair in which magistrates and other officials would sit. Since the Roman Catholic Church developed within the Roman Empire, some of their traditions carried over from the empire. In addition, before the Reformation, bishops often sat on thrones because they held political power as well as spiritual authority. In fact, today, when a new bishop is installed in a diocese, the service is often called an enthronement. Roman Catholic, Orthodox, and Anglican, in the U.S. Anglicans are called Episcopalians, are the only denominations with cathedrals, although you will find a few Lutheran cathedrals in Europe. Right down Massachusetts Avenue from the Episcopal National Cathedral, you'll find St. Sophia, Greek Orthodox Cathedral, and down the street from that, there is St. Nicholas, Russian Orthodox Cathedral. Downtown is the Roman Catholic Cathedral of St. Matthew the Apostle. This is its cathedra. This was the site of President John F. Kennedy's funeral. I imagine being a bishop is a tough job, and having what looks like such an uncomfortable chair doesn't seem like it makes the job any easier. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story.